Hi, welcome back. Today we'll be visiting Devil's Postpile and Rainbow Falls. So we started Saturday morning at 7 and we started driving towards Rainbow Falls and Devil's Postpile. And that's a huge trail. It's like an 8-mile trail that we walk. And it was very sunny that day. So hope you guys enjoy. As I said in the last video, enjoy the view, people. Enjoy the view. So we reached Devil's Postpile and we had to walk 8 miles to reach Rainbow Falls because Devil's Postpile and Rainbow Falls, we see it all in one whole trail. And this is us before we started. We finally reached Devil's Postpile. Devil's Postpile formed about 100,000 years ago when lava came out in huge columns, and the columns were in hexagonal shapes, as you can see from the rocks below. So there's also a trail to the top of the Devil's Postpile, and this is what it looks on top. As you can see, the columns are formed in hexagonal shapes.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi. Hello.
And when we reached this river while we were walking and there was so much water flowing, we realized that we were so close to reaching the falls. While we were walking, we saw so many chipmunks. They were so tiny and they were so cute. And that's us right there. We finally reached the waterfalls. And as you can see, they're really, really big. And I've never been to a waterfall this big. Not that I remember of, but it was so amazing going there. When we walked down the stairs, we reached the bottom of the waterfalls, and as you can see, the waterfalls are huge. And the aunties, they went really up close to the waterfalls. And as you can see, there's so much mist. And even though we were really back and far from the waterfall, we could still feel the mist. And there was really so much mist. And we took many pictures. After walking back, we took a really long break for a while. We slept and everything, and then in the evening we went to see another lake. And this was June Lake. We passed by June Lake.
No, because when you're at Cornish, you're looking at the minarets. June's over here. June's over here. So when you're on Cornish and you can see the minarets perfectly. So that's Grange Run over there. That at the very cheap is the Cornish. But it's on the other side.
And we reached George Lake, and the view was amazing there because it was not that sunny. Hope you guys liked today's vlog. Next week we'll have another vlog about a lot of other lakes that we saw. So see you guys next week.